Eya is a house that celebrates ancestral energy and Mother Earth. Its simple lines allow natural elements to flow freely throughout all its spaces. Light, wind, vegetation, and sounds are integral to the architecture, transforming the space into a sensory experience. The design revives and incorporates ancestral techniques and regional materials, employing artisanal craftsmanship to reinterpret them in a contemporary architectural context. Located in Mérida, Mexico, Eya was conceived as a sensory project that honors nature, using handcrafted elements to create a human connection between the user and their surroundings. The central garden is the heart of Eya, designed as an offering to nature, featuring pillars with receptacles to collect rainwater. The water flows through channels into the central garden, reinterpreting the cycle of water and life. The space offers tranquil, almost meditative moments, reminding residents of their connection to nature and the rhythm of the earth. The open-plan dining and kitchen area combines functionality with understated elegance. The dining table, surrounded by woven chairs, faces large glass panels that provide an unobstructed view of the courtyard. The terrace bridges the interior and exterior spaces, with raised steps leading to a cozy seating area shaded by a bamboo ceiling and surrounded by lush greenery. Existing vegetation on site was preserved to serve as a connection between the sky and the earth. The house seems to touch the sky while embracing the gifts of Mother Nature. The strategic use of earthy materials and neutral tones creates a calm and inviting atmosphere, ideal for family gatherings. At Eya House, natural materials and a serene courtyard come together to create a minimalist sanctuary that exudes timelessness and harmony with its environment. It is a home that not only shelters its inhabitants, but also inspires them to live in harmony with the earth and themselves.